Hello, this is Reggie, Wash Dryer Repair Nerd, coming at you another video. Don't forget to visit my website, www.dryertuneup.com, to get your high-quality heating element infuses for the do-it-yourselfer in you. So, I'm in the shop, and we've got a dryer, and this is something you should be aware of when purchasing from private sellers. I don't mind because I repair these things, so I always expect surprises. Customer told me, oh, they work just fine, nothing's wrong. And obviously this is not normal. So this is where, this is your air duct, silver thing, and that goes on top of here. And so your fan sucks the air through here and out through your exhaust pipe in the back of your dryer. And this is a Whirlpool Kenmore Roper KitchenAid's Whirlpool brand dryer. And so basically what happened was, this is from not cleaning the lint trap and or having a clogged vent hose in which all the moisture stayed in, and that moisture made the lint just stick to the dryer, the little hose here. So it's got a little hose. So what we're going to do is take that off. Other than that, the dryer has a good bill of health, but one of the problems is, especially if you have your own personal dryer, one of the issues, you want to clean this out, clean that out, and also always look inside there and see if there's another roll of dryer lint, because sometimes it roll up in there too. So anyway, this is where the washer dryer tune-up kit comes in, because basically what's going to happen is I could put this back together and work fine for a little while, but the side effect now is there's heavy usage and damage done to this heating element, because basically what happened was that heat stayed inside the dryer. It accelerates the wear on your heating element. So if on your own personal dryer, it's well worth going ahead and changing it out. I have plenty of videos on how to change out the heating elements on these dryers. Again, use your appliance repair kit from www.dryertuneup.com, and this is what the kit will look like. We use high quality parts. This has your fuses in it, so it'll have your high limit fuse and your heat regulating fuse in there. And so this is what it'll look like. Sorry, I'm a one-hand bandit here with the camera. Excuse me, this is a very amateur video, as I always take, but the information is high quality. So this is your element that comes with your dryer tune-up kit. From www.dryertuneup.com. High quality, fast shipping, and that's a good element right there. Any questions, feel free to comment below. Again, this is Reggie, the Appliance Repair Nerd. Thanks.